The 2025 track and field season is here, and the women's 60-meter hurdles is already shaping up to be a battle for the ages. At the 118th Millrose Games, the world's fastest hurdlers are set for an electrifying showdown. World record holder Devynne Charlton, Olympic champion Masai Russel, Jamaican star Ackera Nugent, and rising powerhouse Tia Jones are all on a collision course. Could we see another world record fall? Will Charlton defend her dominance? Or will one of her fierce competitors steal the spotlight? Stay locked in as we break down the biggest names, fastest times, and key storylines ahead of this must-watch race. Who's your pick to win at all? Drop your predictions in the comments below. In the famous words of multiple 100-meter medalist Puerto Rico's own Jasmine Camacho Quinn, quote, "The women's hurdlers just do not duck each other." The women in the sprint hurdles have returned for the 2025 track and field season with nothing but fire in their eyes as they begin their 2025 campaign. Last season, the North American, Central American, and Caribbean NACAC region dominated the women's 60-meter hurdles, and the 100-meter hurdles indoor season saw Devynne Charlton of the Bahamas breaking Susanna Kallur's long-standing 60-meter hurdles world record of 7.68 seconds with her 7.67 seconds at the Millrose Games.
Fast start from Ackera Nugent of Jamaica. Devynne Charlton of the Bahamas racing away from lane 4. She had an early world lead with her new Bahamian national record 7.75.
Only 5 days later, Tia Jones of the United States equaled the record at the USA Track and Field Indoor Championship.
Tia Jones first to the first hurdle. She's in control there. Jasmine Jones there in 3, but Tia Jones going to run away with this one easily when she comes through 7.67. See where that corrects down. No, and 7.67.
What?
Hello, Devynne Charlton. You get to enjoy that for all of a day. You got company.
The track and field world was looking for a Devynne Charlton versus Tia Jones matchup at the Glasgow World Indoor Championship, but Tia Jones had to pull from the meet due to injury. However, Devynne Charlton was able to win gold at the World Indoor Championship with a world record performance of 7.65 seconds. During the outdoor season, Masai Russel of the United States won gold in the 100-meter hurdles at the Paris Olympics, and Jasmine Camacho Quinn took bronze. Now, the women's hurdlers have returned to have one of their many showdowns this season at the 118th staging of the Millrose Games that will be held at the Armory. This year's field will feature Olympic 100 meters hurdles champion Masai Russel of the United States, world record holder Devynne Charlton, double world under-20 gold medalist Tia Jones of the United States, Jamaican national record holder Ackera Nugent, Paris Olympic 100-meter hurdles finalist Grace Stark of the United States, and our countrywoman 2023 US indoor champion Alicia Johnson. On average, this field is 7.73 seconds, which would be the 9th fastest time in the event. The hurdles are an unpredictable event because of how fast the competitors are within this era. On paper, by virtue of being the world record holder and world indoor champion, Devynne Charlton enters the event with a slight edge over her competitors. Olympic champion Masai Russel may want to show that her speed outdoors can translate indoors as well, and Ackera Nugent may want to continue her consistency as the fastest woman in the 100-meter hurdles last season. With so many fast women lining up, it would not be surprising if the meeting record of 7.67 seconds is broken, or even the world record of 7.65 seconds for that matter. But who will win this race? Will Devynne Charlton be crowned as the queen of the 60-meter hurdles? Can Masai Russel get the better of her training partner Devynne Charlton? Is it Ackera Nugent's time to upset? Or will Tia Jones, Grace Stark, or Alicia Johnson surprise fans? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Millrose Games women's 60-meter hurdles, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with fellow track fans, and drop your predictions in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the biggest races, record-breaking performances, and Caribbean track stars shining on the world stage. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.